Hey, and today we're going to make some travel dollies. So these are magnetic, printed with a print and cut, and you can use them on magnetic boards for travel day. So first of all, I'm going into Design Space, and I've put girl in the search bar. So I was searching for this little girl here. There's a full set of girls that you can mix and match their clothes, but as you can see, there's loads of different sets if you want to choose a different one. So I'm going to select those and put them into Design Space. And here they are, arriving into my Design Space. The full set that I made had 4 dollies, but I just want to show you today with these 2. So next I'm looking for a dress, and I'm going to choose 2 dresses so that we've got 4 outfits to choose from. So first of all, I'm going to go for this green dress because I know there's got a bit of editing involved. And next, so hard decided, so many. I think this one. Okay, put them into Design Space. And now I've got a choice of 4 possible outfits for my dollies. The next step is to size them and ungroup them. So I'm going to ungroup and size my dollies to the size I want them to. I tend to use the cutting mat for this so that I can just make sure that they're looking on the cutting mat the size I want them. And I'm also going to need to make sure that they're both the same size. So ungroup this one. Now when you ungroup, what you'll notice is that you'll still see the dolly you've got, but then there's lots of closed eyes. So every element of that doll has got a closed eye on it. What you do to actually choose the doll and the separate outfit is you unclick the eye that's related to that. So there you go. So there's my outfit. And I'm now going to find the doll without the outfit on. And there she is. So I've separated those. I can now delete the full doll or girl, and then I can resize her, and all the rest of the elements now I can go through and delete, but just make sure that's right. I'm happy with that one, and now I'm going to do the same with the second doll. So it's really clever because all you've got to do is go through, unclick the closed eye. You could even separate the hair if you wanted to and intermingle the hair. So there we go, a doll and an outfit, get rid of that, resize. And because these are already print and cut images, and we've separated the layers within the print and cut, they're already ready to print and cut out. So that's really great because we haven't got to mess about flattening them. They're already flattened. With these images, I just want to show you, because these aren't flattened, these are cut images, so we'll need to flatten them. First of all, we're going to ungroup it. You can see that it's actually got different layers to give different textures. And if you was cutting that out, it'd cut every layer separately. But we're going to print and cut it, so we're going to flatten it. So what I'm first going to do, I've ungrouped it and removed the coat hanger, and now I'm just going to rebuild it and rebuild all my flowers and get them all in the right order. So this just takes a bit of faffing, putting it all back together, because you've got to just make sure your layers are all in the right order, which you can have a drag or just keep putting stuff to the back. And once I'm happy, so I'm getting there now, then I can flatten the image. So select all and flatten, and there you go. You can see the difference straight away. It's now, you can print that and cut it. It's not going to do it in layers. Now next I'm just going to size it on my doll and shape it and make sure that it fits up, because when it prints you want to be able to lay it over onto the magnetic board. And there you go. Now I'd say the one thing I'm not happy with this is the straps are too long on the top. What we're going to do is we're just going to ungroup it, and we need to just move that further away. So we'll ungroup it and then just slice out the top of the straps. So we'll do it with this part of the dress. And then we'll do the next part. What we've first got to do though is remove the debris, because it won't slice with any debris underneath. So back into position, slice, and that will just cut off the top of those, and then I can get rid of all of that and reassemble my dress and reflatten. For whatever reason, you can't slice a flattened image, so you have to ungroup it, unflatten it, ungroup it, and then rebuild and flatten. So I should have actually thought of that before, however. There you go, reflattened. Done. So I'm just going to now position it and make sure I'm happy. Just make it a little bit wider. That's it, so it just fits the dolly nicely. That's the beauty of it. Once you've got it flattened, you can just put it where you want it and make sure it's perfect. And it fits both dollies. So I'm really thrilled with that. Dress number, or outfit number 4. Now I know that this one's needs a little bit of work. So we're going to position it first this time. Make sure that it's not. I think I quite like the shape of that dress, but we've got to get rid of the coat hanger. So when you ungroup this, you'll see that actually the coat hanger is part of the layer. We'll move all that out of the way. So we just need to cut the coat hanger out, which is really simple. All you do is get a shape and cut into it. So I'm probably going to use a circle actually. Size my circle, because it's a single layer, I can just slice into it. Highlight, slice, and the coat hanger's gone. Get rid of the debris, and then I can rebuild my dress. And again, position your layers to where you want them. My top layer is going to be my green layer, so that fits in between there, but I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller to give the dress a lilac-y silhouette. And then when I highlight and flatten it, there you go, that looks really pretty. Reshape it, reposition it to make sure I'm happy. And that fits on the dolly. So we've got a day and a night outfit there. But if you look at my full set, I've made a pirate outfit, sports outfits, graduation outfits. So there's outfits for every occasion. You could go on forever, couldn't you? So I'm going to save this as travel survival dollies. I just think they make really great travel survival kits. They're fantastic. And you just buy a magnetic board, put them onto the board, and then you can just pop them in your travel bag. They're really useful and so easy to make. Thanks for watching, guys, and just keep watching to have a look at my full set.